ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can bring a range of benefits to those who use it. As a language model, ChatGPT has been trained to understand and generate natural language, making it a valuable resource for a variety of tasks. One of the primary benefits of ChatGPT is its ability to provide quick and accurate answers to a wide range of questions. Whether you're trying to find information on a specific topic, looking for advice on a problem, or just curious about something, ChatGPT can help you find the answers you need. Its vast knowledge base allows it to provide information on virtually any subject, from science and technology to history and the arts. In addition to answering questions, ChatGPT can also help with language-related tasks such as writing and editing. If you're struggling to find the right words for a document, email, or social media post, ChatGPT can suggest synonyms, provide grammar tips, and even help you generate new ideas. Another benefit of ChatGPT is its ability to personalize its responses based on your input. By analyzing your language patterns and previous conversations, ChatGPT can tailor its responses to your specific needs and preferences. This means that you can get more accurate and relevant information in less time, without having to sort through irrelevant results. Moreover, ChatGPT can be a great companion for language learners. It can help improve your vocabulary and grammar skills, provide pronunciation tips, and even suggest conversation topics to practice your speaking skills. Its ability to generate natural language responses makes it an ideal practice partner for anyone looking to improve their communication skills. ChatGPT can also be used for more advanced tasks, such as language translation and summarization. If you need to communicate with someone who speaks a different language, ChatGPT can help translate your messages in real time. It can also summarize long texts or articles into shorter, more manageable versions, allowing you to quickly understand the main points. Finally, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for businesses and organizations. It can help with customer support by providing quick and accurate responses to frequently asked questions. It can also be used for market research by analyzing social media conversations and identifying trends and patterns in customer behavior. Overall, ChatGPT offers a range of benefits for anyone who needs quick and accurate language assistance. Its ability to generate natural language responses, personalize its answers, and provide assistance with a wide range of tasks makes it a powerful tool for language learners, professionals, and casual users alike.